What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying in today's video is about stocks to load up on as we get ready to get back in our bag to kick off the week, guys. But hey, listen, if I helped y'all in any way, whether I was help you make some money or give you a new perspective on the stock market, please make sure you like and subscribe and join us on the journey. Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Guys, you already know what time it is. I am super excited because we are hours away of beginning to get back to doing what we do, which is get back in our bag as the stock market prepares to open on Monday, guys. Listen, I wanted to give some guidance as we kick off the month of May because I'm feeling very, very excited just about a fresh start, just about a fresh brand new month, okay? And that doesn't mean that everything is going to go up from here, but I strongly feel that my family, that all of you that rock with me and that listen intently, I feel like you're going to be much more better prepared, much more armed with the right type of knowledge, with the right type of skill set to navigate whatever we get thrown at us for this month, okay? With that being said, despite everything that Wall Street might have up its sleeve, I feel very good about what we got up ours, okay? Guys, this will be a week of lots of puts, lots of calls, okay? Again, participate in what you choose to, go at your own pace, okay? I'm gonna love you and bring you along, but in the meantime, help you earn a lot of money regardless of which ones you choose to participate in, okay? And on that note, our weekly option plays, just a quick update, will be going out tonight beginning at 9 p.m. So guys, make sure you look out for that. And if you don't get them, make sure you should send me a quick text message so I can shoot you right over because I want everybody in the game locked and loaded and ready to go. Listen, guys, last week we were 3 for 3. And if we throw MViz in there, some could say we was 4 for 4. However, I got another play similar to MViz that I want to put on you, and that's what we're going to kick this video off with. Listen, guys, ticker symbol OCGN, otherwise known as Ocugen, is currently sitting at $12.75. Listen, this play has had a massive run up over the last week, which was 15%. Over the last month, it was 84%. And if we go out 3 months, up 600%. What do you think time it is, guys? You already know, man. You guys know I have taught you the best that I can, okay? For those of you that still see more upside in this, please consider a call. For those that feel like this play has ran a lot, up 600% in 3 months, please consider a put. We did this with MViz last week and hit it out the park for those that did, okay? Again, I didn't even call that one because we was crushing it in the 3 that were known to more people, okay? But similar to that, I'm expecting this to do the same thing, whether or not this week or next week. So with that being said, you may tinker with your expiration date just to have some safeness on your side, okay? But I'll circle back to this later in the week. I just want to put this on you right now so that my family is in position to eat and make money regardless of what this play does, okay? This week is all about plays to load up on, guys. And so one in particular that I'll leave it with is Palantir, okay? Currently sitting at $22.97. This one, guys, again, out of all of these plays, I feel the most strongest about this one and its success, okay? So with that being said, this is a play that I'm expecting. Again, you can never predict what will happen this month, but I'm hoping that this has a great month. But opportunities, entry points for us, okay? Of course, the 23s, the low 23s, 22.97 like we got right here, or the 21s in terms of entry, okay? And then I want you guys to get your position established and be ready to ride this up. But remember what we talked about, guys. I only want you having 1 or 2 of these high risk plays during this time, okay? There's going to come a time again in the second quarter, July, August, September, that we can have more and they will be hit less hard. But right now, I want you to be playing it safe. I want you guys to lower your and minimize some of your risks, okay? Currently looking at my position in this, I have 201 shares with an average cost of $22.89. I want you guys to beat the teacher. I want you guys, I'm gonna always show you, there's no other level of transparency that's deeper than this, than somebody that comes in and show you each and every day what they're doing. So with that being said, take advantage of this. If you catch this under $22.89, pounce. I had a coaching call today and the young man had this at $22.60. we went crazy on the coaching call, okay? Just celebrating and loving on him, because that's what it's about, guys. Beat the teacher in all of these plays that I show you every single day, okay? Take advantage of you being able to see what positions I hold, okay? Because again, very few even do this for you, okay? So again, hold that in high magnitude. Also, guys, be thinking in totality and holistically what you can load up on. Do you have your positions fully built? And that means at a minimum 125 shares. Do you guys have on your volatile plays your limit sell orders and or your trailing stop losses, okay? Please be mindful. I'm gonna reiterate it just to make sure it's top of mind, but I'm trusting in you that you won't get caught again, okay? We're gonna be much more prepared for everything moving forward, okay? And we all got an opportunity to be better than we were yesterday, and let's take full advantage of that, okay? So listen, guys, I'm looking forward to a great week on the stock side in our plays, as well as on the option side, okay? And so with that being said, again, let's get ready for a great week. Up next, guys, we have our word of the day, and our word of the day is patience. Listen, guys, I'm hoping that if you haven't learned anything else about the stock market, about the correction that we've all experienced the last 2 or 3 months, I'm hoping that you have learned a little bit of patience, okay? Because this is, and I'll be honest with you, I'm a long-term investor, because one thing I had learned was it took patience to endure when your plays are going through a cycle, okay? And only way to come out on top is to develop patience, and in that it made me a long-term investor, and that has been one of the best decisions I've ever made, because yes, the pain of a correction and or crash can be brutal. However, when you are able to live to see the other side and you see your plays fully come back, then they rocket even higher, guys, it's a crazy feeling that all of you are going to experience. And so, yes, I'm telling you the tools, but I don't care if you use a trailing stop loss or not. Some of you might have taken advantage, major salute. Some of you didn't know how to use it, didn't know about it, couldn't get it down pat, so you're still holding. But don't worry, guys, it all comes back, okay? You're gonna win whether you use a trailing stop loss, or you're gonna win whether you didn't, because that's just the nature of the stock market. And when you are in good plays, they always win in the end. Listen, guys, that's just my word on patience today. Embrace it. Make sure you have a little bit, because you're going to need it to get you through to the end of the race. Up next, guys, we have our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from Greg H. He says, putting stop losses on my volatile picks that got hit hard as they climb back to my buy price. Going to consolidate 5 down to 2 when the stops triggers. Thanks for the lesson, Chris. Greg, this is phenomenal, man. I thank you for sharing this, because this is the type of guidance that I want to share with the entire family. Guys, I harped on it all weekend, and if you haven't, go check out the weekend video. There's so many gems inside of those, okay? Get beyond just wanting to hear about the stocks and get the lesson, get the meat, get the substance about how and what it is to be an investor, okay? Go back and check those videos out. But long story short, like Greg alluded to, get down from 5 high-risk plays down to 2. I'm trying to tell you guys, it's going to serve you best on the journey, okay? I want to minimize your risk as well as some of your lost potential. We will get all the money back. That's the given, guys. Don't ever get caught up with the money part of the stock market. It's about strategy. It's about you being an investor. It's about you being a CEO and just making good decisions on your journey. Being invested in companies that you know, like, and love. It's important to know what you own, okay? And you can't do that if you just jumping in everything trying to get rich quick. Nope. I often say I'm not the guy for that, and this is not the right channel. You might want to go somewhere else. But if you guys can embrace, again, the journey, the plays we are in, the ones you need to consolidate down to, and just let them do their thing, okay? Trust me, beginning in the second quarter, you're going to see a whole turnaround. It was just the same way last year. You guys that have been with me, you guys just found me during that time when it began to run up. Okay, not saying that history is going to repeat itself exactly, but the way the market is shaping up, it's aligning up to do so. So guys, I won't belabor the point. If you have questions or comments, leave them below. I'll grab them and add them to my next video. Listen, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one.